What's socially going on with you?
Nothing socially going on with me because I'm socially disturbed with the village people. They're jumping around in my head like rabbits.
What's a frabbit? Okay, we'll take a break. And we're back, and socially disturbed frabbit guy, and what's up?
What's up? Your hair is now my self-esteem because you're laughing at me. That should be down.
Oh,
Shit.
oh, what? Did you just say?
Oh, can I say that on this station?
No.
Shit.
Oh. We're talking to Mario. Is that your name?
Yes, it's pronounced Mario, like you said the first time. Yeah.
He's a video game, so can you tell us something about that?
Yeah, my name's Mario, and it's also Mario in the game. I jump around, and I pretty much just fart on people all day in the game, and then I eat a couple shrooms.
Whoa! We gotta stop you, because shroom eating's legal. Cops, take him out of here. We don't have cops. Okay, so next time on the show, we're gonna interview Patsy Jack, and I don't know who that is. Do you know who that is?
I think he's that's my nose, dude. What the hell? Oh my god.
I can't say hell either.
What the heck? Ooh.
Last night we bombed some places. How do you feel?
Naked.
I don't like it. What should I talk to you about?
I really don't give a beep.
You know, we edit it so you don't have to say beep.
Oh, I don't give a
Oh, don't say that. What's your favorite movie?
The Wind in the Willows.
Never seen it.
Neither have I. Don't ask me.
Let's take a break. We're back. So,
No breaks.
I said we're back.
Oh,
Welcome back.
that was a quick break.
We're gonna take a break. What was that? Okay. How's it going today? What is your favorite video game?
That's a good question.
Don't touch my mic.
Oh, can I touch something else?
No.
Okay, I'll touch my head then.
Yeah.
Anyways, my favorite video game would have to be Final, not Fantasy 29, because there's so damn many of them. You just don't know when they're gonna stop or when they're gonna begin. Because when they began, it was back in 19 and that was a cough. Give me the mic back. I'm not done talking here.
You're very loud. You're a very loud person.
I'm not. I'm not loud. I'm not loud.
We need medicine. What's your favorite sound effect?
My favorite sound effect is the second to third left one, where you yeah, that one.
Is your favorite sound effect?
No.
I personally like but that's that's my favorite.
Mine is when you hit someone with a walrus. You know, it makes like a this kind of sound. Don't ask me. You have to try it yourself. Buy one now for $99.47.
Those are also at stores for $3, so just pick one up there.
No.
Our correspondent is in Jamaica right now, so we got Mario,
Hi.
and he's not doing too good. You're fired. Exactly. That's why we're the best company in our company. So you can almost be assured that we won't screw everything up. And I mean, we pass our own standards.
We're better than Microsoft.
No, but we're good, and that's good enough. Thank you. Goodbye. and stuff. Mario, any thought?
I'm thinking, but I can't think of anything.
You're an idiot.
Ouch.
What?
That hurts.
Oh, okay. Join us next week for coffee and eggs.
Yum.
Really?
Yum.
Extremely.
Yum.
Shut up with the yum!
Yum.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, we just got a call from New York. We don't even have a phone in here, but that's where we got it from. Oh, and Mario, I have to ask you, how long have you been in the military?
I'm not in the military.
Exactly, and that's the way we like to keep it.
That's what I'm talking about.
No, I'm not.
Mormons?
I don't like them. So Mario, I got a question for you. What was your article in the paper about? I gotta interrupt you there, and we got this news flash.
It's flashing. It's flashing.
Oh, yeah, that. So what was the article?
I thought you were flashing.
No, they are.
Well, my article's about flashing.
Oh, that's controversial, isn't it?
That's pure irony right there, buddy.
It's not ironic. That's bionic. No, wait, that's Legos. Joining us from Iraq. I'm just kidding. Mario's here, and he wants to tell us about something. What is it?
Those freaking trees that keep growing in my front yard, throwing acorns at my windows.
You know what? I actually got another report about that. It's not the trees. It's the squirrels in the trees throwing them down. So, get some tree killer. Or squirrel killer. No, you know what? Just chop it down, and you'll not have a problem unless it lands on your house.
I tried that, and it landed on my house. And I had to bring it back over here. I had to get it rebuilt. I had to get my tree rebuilt, but my house paid for it. So, go! Away! Come here.
To Jamaica. Jamaica's not good because it just blew up. So, Mario.
That's not good. You just said that. You just said that. I just said that.
I just said you said that you said that.
I just said that.
Exactly. So, giraffes are a good taste. Sports. I don't like them. Do you like them?
I hate them.
Exactly. That's why this is a sports show.
That's what I'm talking about.
So the Raiders and the Bucks. Who are they?
Some fags. Some fags in dresses.
I don't like faggots.
Neither do I.
We're faggot haters.
Faggot haters of America unite today in the studio. That's two of us.
But I like the gay ones. Next month is April. And after that is May, as you may know. And then we're graduating. How do you feel?
I feel kind of squishy.
I was getting to that, but I mean about the Raiders and the Bucks.
Those Raiders, man, they buck the heads off of the graduates in May. So tonight, I'm going to whack it with a pillow.
What? I don't think we want to hear that. Oh, the lines are busy. What?
What the poop?
No, we just got like 10,000 calls for your whack it story. Could you give us more on that?
I'll give you all you want on it, baby.
The lines just dropped. Now that we're back, I mean, hell.
You can't say that, remember?
Oh, yeah, I can.
Oh.
You can't. The guests cannot say the words that I can say that I.
That we can't?
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. So the Bucklands.
I get it. This is This is a communist.
No. The Bucklands and the Raiders, 5-7.
In the Super Rand.
Super Ran. Super Ran! Oh, that's a movie. It's coming out next month.
Really?
No.
Shit.
Oh, you said the bad word again.
I don't say bad words. I say wordy dirt.
I almost hit the microphone. He just swallowed the microphone.
That's about the grossest thing I've ever seen.
Sorry. You were just inside my mouth. How was it?
Tasty.
Good.
Kicking it with the tasty groove.
I like it.
Yummy.
Ah,
Is that a midget?
lots of fun. Get the midget out.
There's a midget in my tummy.
No, he's out of here. You ate him?
I ate him. You spit him out and I ate him. What the hell's going on?
We're going to have to take a break from the stupid person. Fries are up, and so is my butt.
Really?
Not really, but it is down on the ground.
Yeah, okay.
Was that yucky or yucay? Yucay means, it's Spanish for, it's not Spanish, it's French? French for what?
French for your fucking dumbass.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to get going because the wifey's calling me, and
You don't have a wife?
yeah, let me finish.
You don't have a wife?
Okay.
Okay.
She's calling me and she wants some hard fucking in the ass.
I'd like some chicken.
I want some hard chicken too.
Hard chicken in the ass?
Hard chicken. A hard chicken.
You know what? That's not good for me because I'm not into chicken.
I'm not into chicken, but the chicken's gonna be in me when I eat it tonight while I'm fucking my wife in the ass.
Whoa, hey, okay.
So I'm gonna have to go. It was good talking to you. I guess I don't know, but it was good talking to you. Like I said, once again, back to the mic, and goodbye.
You know what? Yeah, bye me too, because I'm gonna come over and tape it, and we'll have it on the internet tomorrow.
That's just about.
No, it's your idea, so to the internet, your porn shall go.
Bye.
Thank you.